luckily we had a opportunity to travel in a bullet train in Japan. I had gone for the conference from Fukuoka to Tokyo. We went by bullet train and we saw that the beautiful bullet train, how much um, uh, advantages it will be for our country if the travel becomes, because from Ahmedabad to Bombay is all commercial zone, and then traveling and making a short distance would be very advantageous. So it is little sentimental in giving. At the same time, the we are lucky. I mean, we are getting a bullet train, and I know that's going to be very useful to the to the to the country, to the business, to the hospital also, because our lots of patients are coming from all over the places.
They provided us with the information, what will be like the compensation, what will be like the this thing. They were, and everybody was, I must say, everybody was very polite. Whenever I called for some query, there was an immediate response. There was no hassle, and all my queries got solved and everything. Whatever we will get in compensation, we will get a new place in that much, because we are just waiting for the last section of our compensation for that final 100%, and then immediately we will start building the house.